To another video on just being right around the home. On this channel here, you'll get home renovations, you'll get home renovations, you'll get cleaning videos, you'll get planning videos, meal videos, different things that I'm doing around the home with the family. I am in the process of doing this main bath here. If you are interested in following along, please continue to watch this video. If you want to watch me do all the other things in the house that I am preparing to put on the market to sell before the end of the year, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So today in this bathroom, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the walls. That's number one. I'm going to clean off the vanity, freshen it up, make it look real nice. I am going to finish nailing down the baseboards, because what I did was took the baseboards, the old baseboards up, because little boys forget to aim correctly to the toilet. So the old baseboards that was there was kind of starting to get a little messy and stuff. So I pulled the baseboards up, put new baseboards down. I'm going to caulk the baseboards, paint the walls. This was where the towel rack was, and it started to come out of the wall. So I put some plaster in, sanded this down already. So this is already sanded down. I'm going to wipe the walls off before I paint them. I haven't done that yet. But this is already sanded down. This side is already sanded down. I actually have some primer at the bottom along the baseboard here. I still have to nail the baseboard down over there. I'll show you guys everything that I'm about to do in a second. I already started doing the marking, the tape around the walls and everything. So because this side of the wall is the vanity, I don't really have to paint that side. I mean, not the vanity, the shower, and the shower goes all the way up to the ceiling. I don't have to paint that. We're not doing the ceiling, we're just doing the walls, which would mean this area into this wall here. So not that much to do. This should not take me that long. I actually have to go see houses today. So I'm trying to hurry up and get this so this can be dry while I go see houses. So I'm going to finish putting the tape around the walls and get the paint done. So watch along. Here I'm only using the thin tape because I'm going to use a brush right here. So because the roller's not gonna go right here, I'm just going to use the thin tape. At the top of the wall, I used the wide tape. What did I do with it? Oh. So at the top of the wall, I used this, which was the wide tape. Along these little corners in the door sill, I'm going to use the thin tape because I don't need the waste big tape when I don't need it. Have to do around the window frame because I am painting this white. Now it's this color, but it's going to be this color, which is white. So I really technically don't have to do around the door frame or the windowsill. So I might as well let that go. I'll do around the vanity because the vanity is brown, and that pretty much should be all I have to do besides the other side of the shower. Duh, I'm wasting tape here. Guess take that off and put it around the shower. Okay, so this is what I did. So these borders here, the border trims I redid. So that's new, and the one behind is new. I still have to nail this one down, and then I have to caulk around it. I already put the tape here along the vanity. I put it here along the vanity. If you look up, we already have it along the wall. So this is basically the only part of the wall that we're painting. Over here, over here, over here. And once we do that, we're gonna put the towel rack back up, but I'm gonna put it up a little bit higher, maybe like here above these holes, because I'm not gonna go back into the actual holes that are there. And then put my light switch thing back up, put my outlet thing back up. The towel rack was here. I mean, the toilet paper holder was here. So I'm gonna put the toilet paper holder back here. I'm gonna re-caulk around the toilet. And then I'm probably gonna decorate and change the shower curtain and put up like a more fall Halloweenish one up. And then I may put my pictures back up on the wall just for decor reasons. The mirror was here. I took the mirror down, so I'll put the mirror back. So that's what we're gonna do with all of this stuff today that you're gonna see. So this is the before, and we're gonna get to the after. So I ran into an issue with the paint. I was trying to paint behind the toilet without removing the toilet, but it became to be harder than I imagined. So I unhooked the toilet from itself so that I can get to this to paint it. And then I'm going to put this back. But before, I want to clean all that little gook up there. 5 years worth of gook. I never took it apart and did this. So, but I'm almost done. Did the outline all around. We got outlines all around. And all I gotta do is fill in the middle. So I had to buy a new gallon of paint because I was at the end of the other one. And just stirring it up here because it settled a little. But I think I just got a little bit too stir crazy. How satisfying is that to watch that whatever color just disappear and become all white? These little tight corners trying to get between the toilet and the wall
It's a little bit difficult. I kept getting my hand in the paint or getting my shirt in the paint, but it all worked out. Down to the wire on this part. This is the last step that I had to do. It was a little difficult to get from my shirt also, but I just used the brush to finish that part up. Thanks guys for watching. If you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell for notifications